Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So one more day has passed since I started basement renovation, and to be honest, today again there was not much work apart from this bin. So a new bin has arrived today after the previous bin, blue bin, was picked up yesterday because it was more than capacity. Still a lot of garbage here. So as per the contractor, their guys will come and put everything back in this, and for the remaining work also, like, definitely garbage is going to be generated that they're going to put it in. So it's a good thing now we have some backup, no problem. Now coming to other point, like uh, what happened today, like the workers did come, like his team did come and went to the basement, but because mudding was done day before yesterday, right? So it wasn't right and it wasn't ready yet, so they said that it may take a few more days. So definitely I don't think there'll be more work this weekend, till this weekend or early next week, because next 2 days means Thursday and Friday. So I don't think they're gonna do anything if mudding is not ready, and even if it is ready for some starting something new like sanding, probably they're gonna take time. And as per him, based on my conversation, like, sanding will be done, then another round of mudding will be done, followed by another round of drying, then sanding, and then finally it will be ready for painting. So I have to wait. Most probably by next weekend I am assuming at least second round of mudding should be done, but I'll keep you guys updated as it goes from here. Thanks for watching.